Welcome to English class using situational conversation.
Scene 1. Basic check-in at the counter. You arrive at the airport check-in counter with your luggage, ready to board your flight.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Good morning. Can I have your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Great. Could you please place it on the scale?
Of course.
It's within the weight limit. Well, that's good.
Perfect.
Would you like a window or aisle seat?
I'd prefer an aisle seat, please.
No problem. I've got an aisle seat for you. Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time does boarding start?
Boarding will begin at 11:30, and your gate is B12.
Okay, I'll head there after security.
Yes, please make sure you get to the gate at least 20 minutes before boarding.
Will do. How long is a security check usually?
It depends, but it can take 15 to 20 minutes. I'd suggest heading there soon.
I'll go right now then. Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you, I will.
Don't forget to check the flight monitors in case of any updates.
Got it. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a great trip.
Thank you, bye.
Scene 2. Checking in with extra baggage. You are at the check-in counter and have more luggage than allowed.
Hi, I need to check in for my flight to Tokyo.
Hi there, may I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thanks. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have 2 suitcases.
Okay, let me weigh them for you. Please place them on the scale.
Here you go.
The first bag is fine, but the second one is over the weight limit.
Oh, how much extra is it?
It's 5 kilograms over, so there's an extra charge of $50.
All right, I'll pay the fee.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Your payment has been processed.
Great. So both bags are checked in now?
Yes, they are. Here's your receipt and boarding pass.
Thank you. What's my gate number?
You'll be departing from gate 17, and boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Perfect. How long do I have before boarding?
You have about an hour. I'd suggest heading through security soon.
Good idea. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Take care.
Scene 3. Checking in with a lost ticket. You arrive at the check-in counter but realize you've lost your paper ticket.
Hi, I'm supposed to check in for my flight, but I can't find my ticket.
No problem. Can I have your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Let me look you up in the system. Ah, I see your reservation here.
Thank goodness.
No worries. I'll print a new ticket for you.
That would be great. I was worried I wouldn't be able to board.
Don't worry. We can always look it up with your ID.
Phew, thank you so much.
Here's your new ticket and boarding pass.
Oh, thanks. I'll be more careful next time.
It happens. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale for me.
Here you go.
It's all good. You're ready to go? Your gate is A4.
Thank you. What time does the flight board?
Boarding begins at 3 p.m., and the flight departs at 3:30 p.m.
Okay, I'll head through security now.
Yes, that's a good idea. Security can be a bit busy at this time.
Got it? Thanks for your help today.
You're very welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. I'll try not to lose my ticket next time.
No problem at all. Take care.
Bye.
Scene 4. Asking for an upgrade at check-in. You are at the check-in counter and want to ask if there are any available upgrades.
Good afternoon. I'm checking in for my flight to London.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale for me.
Here you go.
All set. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, I was wondering if there are any available upgrades for this flight.
Let me check for you. We do have a few seats available in business class.
That's great. How much would it cost to upgrade?
The upgrade would be $200 for business class.
That's tempting. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. Would you like to go ahead with the upgrade?
Yes, please. I'll pay by card.
Your upgrade is confirmed. Here's your new boarding pass.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your gate is D5 and boarding starts at 6 p.m.
Perfect. I'll head to security now.
Yes, and enjoy the extra comfort in business class.
I'm sure I will. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip.
You too. Take care.
Safe travels.
Thanks. Bye.
Scene 5. Asking about delayed flight. You are checking in for your flight, but you've heard it might be delayed.
Hi, I'm here to check in for my flight to Paris, but I heard it might be delayed.
Hi, yes, let me check that for you. Can I have your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
I see your flight is delayed by about an hour.
Oh no, do you know why it's delayed?
It's due to weather conditions at the destination.
I see. So when should I head to the gate?
You should still check in now, but you can wait in the lounge or nearby.
Okay, will I get updates about the delay?
Yes, we'll make announcements at the gate, and you can check the flight status monitors.
That's helpful. Can I still check in my luggage?
Yes, please place your suitcase on the scale.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your luggage is all set. Here's your boarding pass.
Great, thanks. Which gate should I go to?
Your gate is C7. They'll announce updates there.
I'll head there after security then.
It's a good idea. The delay shouldn't be too long.
Fingers crossed.
Don't worry. We'll keep you informed.
I appreciate that. I was worried I might miss my connection.
I understand. You should have enough time, but check with the gate agent for updates.
Will do. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Thank you. Take care.
Thanks for watching. If you're new here, our channel is dedicated to helping you learn English through everyday conversations and real-life situations. We believe that practicing English in contexts you encounter daily is the best way to become fluent and confident. From ordering food to making small talk, we cover a wide range of scenarios to help you communicate effectively in English. Subscribe now and join us on this journey to mastering English, one conversation at a time.